Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our presentation topic is AC power analysis. Contents: first, introduction to AC power. Second, personal information. Third, basic AC circuit concept. AC power type, power factor, power in RLC circuit, measurement of AC power, application of AC power analysis, and last of all, conclusion. Introduction to AC power. Alternating current. Why AC power? Key components. My name is MD Samil Islam, ID 2413309 batch 241, Section B, Department of Tripoli. Now, first my topic is basic AC circuit concept. Here you can see AC wave. Second, peak value, maximum amplitude, RMS. That means rho means square. Effective value of AC voltage or current. Frequency, number of cycle per second. It's hertz. Phase, different in timing between voltage and current waveform. AC power type: real power, reactive power, apparent power. Power factor. Um, Definition: ratio of real power to apparent power. Um, Importance: determines the efficiency of power uses in AC circuit. Power in RLC circuit: reactive, resistive circuit, inductive circuit, and capacitive circuit. Measurement of AC power. Instrument: wattmeter, power analyzer, oscilloscope. Wattmeter measure real power, and power analyzer measure real, reactive, and apparent power. And also oscilloscope observe waveform and phase relationship. And application of AC power analysis: power distribution system, electric motors, lighting and appliances, renewable energy system. Power distribution system: understanding losses, efficiency and optimization of power networks. Electric motors: power analysis help in motor design and control. Lighting and appliances, ensuring efficient energy and consumption. Renewable energy system: solar and wind power integration into AC guards. Last of all, conclusion. AC power analysis is essential for understanding how electrical energy flow in altering current system. Key concepts like real power, reactive power, and apparent power help elevate circuit performance and efficient. The power factor which affects energy efficiency is um, AC renewable energy source and smart grids become more common. The future of AC power analysis will focus on sustainability, cost reduction, and system um, reliability. Thank you, everyone.